Hello everyone, my dear students, welcome to AriserTalent. Students, I am your maths faculty Arpita Sharma and we are studying class 10th mathematics. Okay students, now we were on the chapter area related to what students? Right, circles. So students, we have done some good questions on this topic. We have discussed all the formulas on sectors and segments, and now we are working on combination of figure, that is having sector plus segment and quadrant, all these kind of figures and their area. Okay, so let's move forward and I'll be having this question for you, which is a round table cover. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. Now, don't care about this figure, I am going to make this. Okay. Now, if the radius of the curve is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. So, okay students, what are you having? You are having a beautiful round chair in your house. Not chair but a table. Okay. Now what are you having? You are having a new brand cover from market and it's having 6 equal designs. So let's have this A point here, B here, C here, and D here, E here and F here. So if I join all these points to each other, okay students, I have joined this. Now it is having these designs only on that portion. So what is the design portion? This is the design portion. In this case, this is the design portion. Understanding? This is the design portion. This is the design portion. This is the given figure you are having, okay. This is your given figure. Now students, this intersection of this 2 point actually coincide with the circle's circumference. What does that mean is, we are having a radius of 28 centimeter. So if here I will be having this 28 centimeter, and similarly these all will be of what? 28 centimeters, because radii will be same. Okay. Now the complete angle is what? It is 360 degree and it is divided in equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal portions, right. So what will be the angle for each? The angle for each will be 360 by 60, that is equals to nothing but 360 by 6, okay, 360 degree in 6 equal parts, and that will be giving you 60 degree. So can I say student that each angle equals to 60 degree and these all angles are equal to 60 degree. Now what it's saying? It's saying that the cost of making the design at the rate of these designs. I am not talking about the cost of cover, I am talking about only the design, and design is made with the rate 0.35 per centimeter square. Now what I have to find? The total cost for design. So what I have to do? I have to find this design portion, and after finding this area of design portion, I will multiply it to the cost, then I can get it. 1 centimeter square is having some cost, this cost. So what will be we having for some let us say x centimeter square designs cost, that will be obviously that cost multiplied by x, okay. So we will be finding the area here. Now students, if I just cut this particular sector and I will see this sector, this is like that, okay. Now I am saying for the design portion, So, this is the design portion. So, can I say this is 60 degree, this portion is given 28 centimeters and also this portion is 28 centimeters, and I am having these sectors 6 times. Okay. So, can I have this area multiplied by 6, that will give me what? All the areas. Okay. Now, this is a sector, this is a segment. Now, I am having the segment area formula. So, I will just use that formula here. Okay. So, writing for the solution part, what will it be? Area of design portion will be equals to what? Will be equals to area of segment consists of one design, or I can write area of, directly writing 6 multiplied by design area segment. Now, this area segment is having what formula? That is equal to 6 multiplied by segment area is what? It is nothing but pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 multiply by r square. Right, students? Now, this is the formula. Here theta equals to 60 degree. Why? Because 360 multiplied by 6, the equal portion equals to 60. Okay. Now, pi is 22 by 7 and theta by 2 will be what? Theta by 2 will be nothing but 30 degree. Easily can calculate it. So, this implies area of design portion, what, students? That will be what? Area of design portion will be, putting the values here, that will be 6 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 60 by 360 minus sin 30 cos 30 degrees, right, multiply by the radius, which is 28. So, 28 square. Okay, students. So, can I solve this here? That will be 6. Okay. So, if I bring that 6 here, it will be cancelled out. Okay. So, I am doing the same, 22 by 7, the 6 will be cut by this. Okay. So, this 6 multiplied by 60 is 360, 360 divided by 360 again 1. So, this 22 by 7 is remaining minus 6, this 6 multiplied by what? Sin 30 value 1 by 2, cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Okay. So, can I here cut it by 3, right. Now, this 28 square, now it can be cut here, right. So, what I am doing? I am doing this 28 here, right, and I am writing this 28 here in multiply, and I am writing this 28 here, the remaining one. So, that will be cut by this 4 times, that will be 8 again. So, this will be 88, okay, minus 3 divided by 2 is what? 1.5. So, 1.5 multiply by root 3. Now, what is root 3? 0.35, sorry, root 3 is 1.7, okay. So, that is 1.7. Now, this whole multiply by 28. So, I just can the rough calculation here in this portion for the rough calculation only. Okay. What I am having 1.5, 1.7, that will give me what? Right, here 28 also, this remaining 28 here. Okay, so what will it give me? It will give, okay, just let's remain that like this only. Now rate or price for design, price will be, for design price, that will be equals to what? Area, that is total area, multiply by what is given? Rate of design per centimeter square. Okay, so can I write that will be equals to area, which is 88 minus 1.5, 1.7, 28 divided by 28, sorry, multiply by 28 multiplied by the rate, which is 0.35, right. So this will be the what? Rate. Now can I just remove this portion till here? Right, so I am going to remove this portion. Okay students, note this. Okay students, so what I am going to do is just 88 minus 1.5, 1.7, 28 here, again multiply by 28 and 0.035. Okay students, so in the rough I am going to calculate this 28.35, that will give you what? 40, 14, 4, 2, 8. So that will be 980. Okay, now 2 portion here, so that will be 9.8. So that whole multiply by 9.8. Now here it is 88. So if this is 88, what will be that? That is 1.5 multiply by 28. Okay, why 28? Because this will annihilate this, that will become 40 and 0 will be here. So I am using this 40, 14, 28, 0, 4. Okay, so 1 here. So that will be what? 28 and 1.5, that will be 42. That again multiply with 1.7. So just I can do it here, multiply by 1.7, 29, 42, that will be 4, 1, 7, 714 and a dot here. So 71.4 this minus 88 this will give you what? 6 here, 6 here and 1 here, that will be 16.8 multiplied by 9.8, right, rupees. What? Rupees. Okay. So now the last 16.6 multiplied by 9.8, 48. 2, 5, 13, 4 times, sorry, 54. So that will be what? 6, 3, no, 2, right, 2, and 6. So that will be your answer, students. That will be 162. Now 1 and 2. So 2 points here, 162.68 rupees will be what? The cost of your design. Okay, students. So this is your solution. Note it so that we can move forward. Okay. So I hope you noted it, right? So we can move to the next question. And our next question is here. What it's saying that find the area of the shaded region. Okay, you haven't given shaded region, I will tell you. Okay, if radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter, right, and 14 centimeter respectively. So you have provided with this center, this circle and its radius. Its radius is what? 7 centimeter. And then you are having another circle. Okay, students. Now this another circle's radius is what? It's 14 centimeter. Okay, now it's telling you to and also giving you AOC. This angle AOC equals to 40 degree. You can see it here. Find the area of shaded region. Now shaded region, I will specify the shaded region for you. Okay, students. So this is the shaded region. Now, do you have any particular formula for the this shaded area enclosed by the radii of two circles which are concentric? Do you have any kind of this formula? No, the answer is no. So what will you do? You will see that how can you do some things like subtract or add something, some areas that you can find out with your formulas that you are having. So that can work for you, right? Okay. So what I am going to do is I am having this portion and this is a complete sector, right? Okay. Now this is a complete sector. I'm asking about this portion, right? This area. So this is what? This is some 14 and this is 7 centimeters, right? Now what will I do? I will take this complete area. I will take the area of this complete, what you call it, sector, and what will I do then next? I will minus this sector's area. So if I minus this complete sector's area, if I minus this sector's area from this complete sector's area, then I will be remaining with this one. So I am going to apply the same thing here. Okay. Now what the question arises, what is the area of a sector? So we know that we have studied that already in our theory part, and for your reference I will be going to write the formula here. Okay. So students, area of shaded portion equals to, if I will talk about this like A, B, O, C and D terms, then area of sector what? OAC minus area of sector OBD. Now we know, students, that formula for what? Area of sector. Area of sector equals to what? We know this is pi r square theta by 360. So, I am using this formula here. Now, given provided with the radius r1, some r1 here and r2 here. Let us suppose this is r1 and this is your r2, right. So, r1 equals to 7 centimeter and r2 equals to 14 centimeter given, implies area of shaded portion is what? Area of shaded portion equals to what? Pi theta r which is 2, this is 2, okay, r2 square by 360 minus this is the sector area OAC. Now, sector area OBD, pi theta r 1 square by 360. So, can I rewrite it as pi theta by 360 r2 square minus r1 square, and if I put the values here, that will become what? 22 by 7 for pi. Then theta is given what? 40 degree upon 360 degree. Now, a square minus b square is equals to what? A plus b, a minus b. So, can I just write it as 14 minus 7 and 14 plus 7? Okay. So, what will it become? It can be cut. It can be cut by 9. So, that will be 22 7 multiplied by 9 multiply by here 7 and here 21. So, what I can do, I can cut this here and by 3, that will be 7. So, that will be 22 by 7 multiplied by 3, that will give you what? 14 4 minus 1 and then 14 again 15. That will be 154.3, and this is what? This is in centimeter square is your answer, students. So, note this. Now, you know how to find the area enclosed by two concentric circle in a particular sector, two particular sectors. Okay. So, this is one. We have to do more questions on that, students. Right. After that, we are going to have this question. Now, understand this question, you have to calculate this area. Okay. Now, do you have any formula for this to calculate this kind of shape? But you are having formulas for quadrant circle, you are having formula for full circles area. So, if I am provided with this radius, if I am provided with these radius, then what I can say? Then I can say that I can find this, right. So, what will I do? I will just look the question from each corners of the squares of side 4 centimeter. So, this is given 4 centimeter each side. Now, again what is saying? It is saying that a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut at a corner. So, these all are what? Having radius of 1 centimeter. So, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Again this will be what? 2 centimeter, because 2 plus 1 equals to 4. right. Same for this side, same for this side. So, I am not mentioning it here, I am just mentioning one side. Okay. And also a circle of diameter, it is also cut. These portions we have cut from that, imagine that it is a paper. So, we have cut these 4 corners and we have cut a circle right there in the center, that is 2 centimeter dia. So, this is 2 centimeter dia. Right. Now, it is saying find the area of remaining portion. So, how will you write, how will you find this particular area, remaining area? Isn't it so simple to understand? Then if you are having, if you will have this complete area, you will subtract these 5 areas from there, then you will be having, you will be remaining with this area only. So, I can rewrite it in the normal language form. Okay. So, come we will draw this, we will write this. Okay. The solution is here, students. Now, area of shaded portion equals to what? Equals to, as look into figure, you will be finding out square, area of square of 4 centimeter side, right, minus what? These all sum, 4 multiplied by area of quadrant circle. Quadrant circle, right. Then the next thing is what? The next thing is this plus, we are minusing or we are subtracting this, these 4 areas and this area. Okay. So, area of mid portion circle, right. So, now we are having this idea of side, area of squares formula and area of quadrant of circles formula and area of circle formula. So, here you provided with this R and R. Okay. So, I can write it here, area of square will be equals to what? 4 multiplied by 4, right. Now, 4 multiplied by area of quadrant circle. What is quadrant circle's area? 1 by 4, why 4 is multiplied? Because we are having 4 quadrants. Okay. 1 by 4 pi r square. Now, what is r? R is given 1 centimeter for this. See, this will be the radius. So, multiply by 1 square plus area of mid portion circle. Mid portion circle's area radius is 2. So, that will be pi r square and r is 2. So, I can just calculate it, that will be 16, that will be cut, minus 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7, 4. Okay, students. So, now when I will calculate this, what will it become? That will be 22 plus, that will be what? 8 and 8, that will be 16 minus 8, 9, 10. So, 1 here, 9, 10, 11 by 7. So, that will give me 7 multiplied by 16 minus 110 by 7. So, 16 multiplied by 7, 112, that will be 2 by 7. Okay, students. So, if it is 2 by 7, then what will it be? It will be the what? Answer of our question. In what? Centimeter square. So, this is our answer for this question. Okay, students. So, note this. Okay, hoping you that you have noted it down. I am just rubbing this. Okay students, so just leave this here. What I am telling you that you have to practice it more, and my next lecture we will be having some more interesting figures areas, right students? Till then, take care, bye bye.